Okay, I'm bored. It's Thursday. I have what's known as an empty garage. The yellow Norton is waiting for its owner to be available to pick it up. It's probably going to be another month or so, and that's fully understood and not a problem. The green goddess is probably not until September. It's just sitting there, and I'm bored. So I decided I'm going to do a compression check on the goddess because I remember way back when we were trying to get it started, and we're doing some checking. We had really low compression, and I said, "Don't worry. Once it gets started, it'll have a lot more compression." So just for grins, I've pulled the plugs out, and I'm going to do 10 good strokes on either side with the throttle wide open and see what kind of compression we got. Now, in the meantime, let me show you these plugs. They're beautiful. These are in position. This is your left plug. Let me do some zooming, and I don't know what all to try to focus down on it. But these plugs look gorgeous. Let's see, can you focus in on that? They're not dirty sooty, they're just looking good for today's gasoline. So I mean, I don't see anything that would raise alarms there. You really can't see too much. Let me go more, even farther. Left one. And right one. So okay, anyway, just for grins. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera in the tripod and give this bike 10 good strokes on either side. Okay, gonna do the right hand side first. Boy, I wish I had Kevin's extra 30 pounds. Okay, we got 120 pounds. A nice solid 120. And Kevin would probably get more with a better kick. All right, I'll do the other side. Okay, gauge is on the left side. Let's give it 10 good strokes. It's hot, by the way. Same. A good solid 120. Maybe a pound less. We're right there on the cusp of 120. Good compression, both sides. Good clean spark plugs, both sides. I tightened up the tie down. That was a Let me kick it a little easier. But you can still see I struggled. Kevin's got a little bit more weight behind him, a bigger guy. He'd better get a better kick. And I'd get a better kick if I'd gone in and put some hard sole boots on, of which I didn't do. So anybody who's going to send a comment saying, wear boots, Frank. I know. I just didn't want to. So anyway, 120 both sides. That's a wonderful compression. No problem whatsoever. Just for grins. And now I'm going to call it a day and go inside and have a nice cold drink.